This 2026 Lance Squire short bed SQ805 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Lance is 14 feet 5 inches in length and features a Lapis interior, sleeps 3, stovetop burner, LP detector, refrigerator, smoke detector, air conditioning, TV, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features front bedroom, rear kitchen, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Lance Squire short bed SQ805 is 1,550 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.